This is Dr. Daniel Paul, orthopedic surgeon with Easy Orthopedics, and today we're going to talk about how long you should wear a wrist brace. So if you're wearing a wrist brace, usually that means something happened to your wrist. So a lot of people will wear them because they get a wrist sprain, meaning that the wrist just kind of got bent a little bit too far and stretched out either the capsule or cellular ligaments in the wrist. And so if it's not a bad sprain, usually 2 weeks will be good, but if it's a bad sprain, you're looking more at 6 weeks. By 6 weeks, most of all those ligaments in the capsule should have scarred down. So that's the time frame you're looking at. And what the wrist brace does is it prevents the wrist from moving and allows all those ligaments and capsule just to kind of heal back down. So if it's a wrist sprain, that's kind of what you're looking at. If you're wearing a wrist brace for carpal tunnel syndrome, then it's kind of just as you have symptoms, and that's just splinting at night. So if you wear the splint for a while at night and your carpal tunnel is completely gone, you can try a trial of not wearing them at night. So that's kind of more up to how your symptoms are. Other reasons people wear a wrist splint is if they break their wrist. Now, if you break your wrist, usually you're treating with a doctor and they'll tell you how long they want you to wear it. A lot of wrist fractures end up undergoing surgery, or if they don't, they're casted. Now, there are newer wrist braces that you can wear and they're kind of ultra tight to replace casting. Usually you're looking at around 2 months, or if it's a scaphoid fracture, which is a small bone in the wrist that frequently breaks, that's more of a 3-month casting period, a really long time. But in those cases, you'll be working with your doctor who's treating that fracture and they'll let you know how long to take care of it. So again, good rule of thumb, wrist sprain, which is the reason most people wear a wrist brace, 2 weeks if it's not bad, up to 6 weeks if it's bad. Carpal tunnel, just as it bothers you at night. And then if it's a fracture, I would consult your doctor to see how long they want you to wear it. But if you break your bone, you're talking about 2 months, or unless it's a scaphoid, then 3 months. So I hope I was able to answer your questions about how long you need to wear a wrist brace. If you have any questions I didn't answer, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to respond, but note that I can't give you specific medical advice about your condition. If you like this video, we put out new content weekly, so please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.